Hi everyone. I will introduce the RV2052 of Durafix today. The tool is equipped with a OLED screen. We have designed some simple buttons here. As you can see, up, down, left, right, cross, and enter. First of all, let's take a look at the catalog. The first thing we see with the gear is the setting page. Let's press the confirm to enter, and we will need to key in the password. The user can set out a password in order to prevent production line operator from accidentally changing parameters. Let's press down to the next page. This is a total locked count, and it's for recording how many locks in total were made by this tool. Our suggestion is returning the product to the factory for maintenance after 200,000 cycles. When it reaches the amount, the tool light will flash to let you know it is time for maintenance. Let's go to the next page. We can see the time and date here. It is a 24-hour clock. In the next page, you can see the model number of this tool and the wireless transmission function you are using. And the icon on the left is for the type of strain gauge that is used in this tool. This is mainly for service and maintenance purpose to help engineers to determine the current state of the strain gauge. Next, I will introduce the function of the tool and the setting page. First, we will see the Durafix logo running. After entering the main screen, we press down to the setting page. We just need to press confirm to enter. The first thing to enter is 4-digit password. The default value is 0000 and it can be changed by the user. Now we just have to click enter. In this page, you can choose to do the torque detection or angle detection. Let's try to set it up only torque first. Press the cross button to confirm. After confirming, it will directly save and jump out. Then we press down. This is a torsion icon. Let's click enter. We can change the number by the arrow keys. For example, let's lower the torque from 8 Nm to 6 Nm. Then press the cross button to save and back. Let's go to the angle mode. After entering the setting page, we can choose the angle mode, press cross button to save it. Then we press down and we can set the angle like how we set the torque in the torque mode. The default value of the tolerance is plus and minus 1 degree. So we can see that it is now 9 and 11 degrees, which can also be adjusted to. The next page is for setting the RPM. Press enter, then you can set it depends on your need, and press the cross button to save and back. In the next page, you can see an icon with a target and a downward arrow. This is for the shift down torque, which means that when it reaches the shift down torque, the tool will lower the RPM to the shift down speed that you set in the next page. The function is for highering the precision of the work, especially for the soft joint application. We can adjust it easily as how we do in other pages. And the default value is 50% of the target torque value. The default shift down torque would be 3 Nm if the target torque value is 6 Nm. And you can adjust it for different applications. As I mentioned, in the next page, you can set the shift down RPM when you see the RPM icon with a downward arrow. And the default value is also 50% of the target RPM. So the default shift down RPM is 225 when the target RPM is 450. In the next page, there is an icon of a wrench in the center. This function can help to count the number of the work that you have done to avoid missing screw. The maximum is 1,000 cycles, and the tool will reset the number to 0 if it has reached the number you set. In this page, you can choose the unit of the torque. Beside the default unit, Newton-meter, we also provide foot-pound, inch-pound, and kg/cm. The next one is the time, which can be adjusted by the same way too. And here is the page for defining the group and ID of the tool for you to recognize the tool in different working stations. This page allows you to set the direction of the fastening, so you can also work on anti-thread screw with the same precision. In this page, you can set the security password to make sure the parameter will not be changed accidentally. Let's set 9000 as the password now. If you enter a wrong password, the tool will show the error code E-999, which means that the password is incorrect. We can see a star in this page. This is for saving favorite parameters, and we provide 8 groups of it. This page is for choosing the wireless transmission function. Currently, we provide the weight with iPad and the weight with our receiver. You can also apply a torque multiplier on this tool. The default value is off, which is working without the multiplier. And we provide the BZ15 and BZ50 for the users. That's all for today. We hope this introduction can give you a better understanding of this tool.